Blue Star High Secondary School video classes for 9th standard mathematics. Happy morning students. Today we are going to see exercise 7.1 problem number 1. Using Heron's formula, find the area of a triangle whose sides are 10 cm, 24 cm, 26 cm. The problem belongs to page number 252. So already we see formulas. So by using the Heron formula, you have to find the area of a triangle. So sides of the triangles are given. So at first you have to find the semi-perimeter, that is S is equal to the sides are A plus B plus C by 2. So here we know the value of A, B and C. So which is equal to 10 plus 24 plus 26 by 2, which is equal to, you have to add all these three numbers. So 10 plus 24 plus 26, you get 60 by 2. So 60 by 2 is equal to 30. So S is equal to 30 centimeter. So you know this is the area of a triangle using Heron's formula. So which is equal to root of S into S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Now we find the value of S is equal to 30 centimeter. So next you have to find S minus A. So S minus A is equal to 30 minus 10, which is equal to 20 centimeter, and S minus B is equal to 30 minus 24. So 30 minus 24 is 6 centimeter, and S minus C is equal to 30 minus 26. So 30 minus 26 is 4 centimeter. So substitute those values in the formula, you get which is equal to root of 30 into 20 into 6 into 4. Now you have to take prime factorization, or otherwise you can split the numbers, that is root 30. So root 30 is nothing but 2 into 3 into 5, because 3 2s are 6, 6 5s are 30, into, we can split 20 as 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 into 5. So 4 5s are 20, into again 6, you can write as 3 2s are 6 and 4 is 2 2s are 4. I doesn't have line, so I write like this. You just continue, which is equal to, now you can write here also you have 1 2, so 2 square into 2 square, again 2 square into 3 square into 5 square. So now square and square root gets cancelled. We get 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, which is equal to 2 cube into 3 into 5. 2 cube value is 8 into 3 into 5, which is equal to 8 into 15. So 8 into 15 is nothing but 120 centimeter square. Therefore, we find area of a triangle is equal to 120 centimeter square. So problem number 1, second subdivision. The sides are 1.8 meter, 8 meter, 8.2 meter. The problem belongs to same page number 252. Here the value of A is equal to 1.8 meter, B is equal to 8 meter and C is equal to 8.2 meter. First you have to find the semi-perimeter, that is S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2, which is equal to 1.8 plus 8 plus 8.2 by 2, which is equal to, you can add this, you get 18. So 18 by 2 is equal to 9. So S is equal to 9 meter. Then you have to find the value of S minus A, S minus B and S minus C, which is equal to 9 minus 1.8. So the value is 7.2 meter. I think you know how to subtract the decimal. So here you have 9 and 1.8. So you have to put decimal and add the 0. The next step is you have to subtract. So same procedure. So cancelling, you get 8. So borrow means here you get 10. So 10 minus 8 is 2. 8 minus 1 is 7. So you get 7.2 meter. So 9 minus 8 is 1 meter and 9 minus 8.2 is 0.8 meter. The next step is you have to find the value for area of a triangle. So area of a triangle is equal to root of s into s minus a, s minus b into s minus c, which is equal to root of 9 into 7.2 into 1 into 0.8, which is equal to root of 9 into 7.2 into 0.8 is nothing but 5.76 into 1, again you get 5.76, which is equal to 9 into 5.76, that is root 9 is nothing but 3. So 3 into root of 576 by 100, because you can change the decimal in the form of fraction. So 9 is nothing but 3 square, so we are taking 3 out of the square root. So which is equal to 3 into 24 square is 576. So 24 by 10 square is 100 divided by 10, which is equal to 3 into 2.4. Next step is you have to multiply 3 into 2.4. You get 7.2 meter square. Therefore, the area of a triangle is 7.2 meter square. Next, problem number 2. The sides of a triangular ground are 22 meter, 120 meter and 122 meter. Find the area and cost of leveling the ground at the rate of rupees 20 per meter square. The problem belongs to the same page number 252. So solution, the sides of the triangular ground are 22 meter, 120 meter and 122 meter. So this is the sides of the triangle, so we can name it as A, B and C. So first you have to find the semi-perimeter, that is S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2, which is equal to 22 plus 120 plus 122 by 2, which is equal to 264 by 2, which is equal to the value of S is equal to 132 meter. So next you have to find the value of S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. So 132 minus 22 is 110 meter and S minus B is 132 minus 120 is 12 meter and S minus C is 132 minus 122 is 10 meter. So area of the ground is equal to root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, which is equal to root of 132 into 110 into 12 into 10. So next you have to split into the using prime factorization, which is equal to root of 132 into 110 into 12 into root 10, which is nothing but root of. Now you can take the prime factorization for 132. You do this prime factorization in your rough column. So 132, 2 times 6 2s are 12. Again the remainder is 1. Again you get 12. So 6 2s are 12. 2 times 33, 3 times 11. So 11 table you get 1 times. Then 110, 10 table 11 times. Again 11 table 1 times. Now you get 2 square into 3 into 11 into 10 into 11 into 6 2s are 12 or otherwise 6 into 2 into 10, or otherwise you can split 6 as 3 2s are 6. So 3 into 2 square, so which is equal to root of 2 power 4 into 3 square into 11 square into 10 square, which is equal to 2 square into 3 into 10 into 11, which is equal to 4 into 3 into 10 into 11, which is equal to, you get the value as 1320 meter square. So next is The cost of leveling for 1 square meter is equal to rupees 20. So cost of leveling the ground is equal to 1320 meter square into 20. You get rupees 26,400. Therefore, you find the area of the ground is equal to 1320 square meter and cost of leveling the ground is equal to rupees 26,400. Problem number 3. The perimeter of the triangular plot is 600 meter. If the sides are in the ratio 5:12:13, then find the area of the plot. The problem belongs to page number 252. Solution. Let the sides of the triangle AB and C be 5x, 12x and 13x, because the sides of the triangle are given in the form of ratio. So we are taking like this. So next we have to find the perimeter. So perimeter of the triangular plot is given is equal to 600 meter. So you know that is perimeter is 5x plus 12x plus 13x is equal to 600. So if you add 5x plus 12x plus 13x, you get 30x is equal to 600. So x is equal to 600 by 30. 0, 0 gets cancelled and 3 and 60 gets cancelled. You get x is equal to 20. So now you substitute the value of x is equal to 20 in 5x, 12x and 13x. You get the sides of the triangle. So the first side A is equal to 5x, which is equal to 5 into 20 is equal to 100 meter. Then B is equal to 12x, which is equal to 12 into 20 is equal to 240 meter. Then the last third side is C is equal to 13x is equal to 13 into 20 is equal to 260 meter. Then you have to find the semi-perimeter S. Because in the question they are given only the perimeter, so from that you have to find the semi-perimeter. So you find the value of A, B, C as 100, 240 and 260. So S is equal to 100 plus 240 plus 260 by 2 is equal to 600 by 2. The semi-perimeter S is equal to 300 meter. Then you have to find S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. So 300 minus 100 is 200 meter. And 300 minus 240 is 60 meter. Then 300 minus 260 is 40 meter. So next you have to find the area of a triangle. So area of a triangle is equal to root of S into S minus A, S minus B and S minus C is equal to root of 300 into 200 into 60 into 40. Is equal to root of, we can split 300 as 3 into 10 into 10. Then 200 as 2 into 10 into 10 into 60 as 3 into 2 into 10 into root of 40 as 2 2s are 4 into 10 is equal to root of, here you have 3 square into 2 to the power of 4. So 2 to the power of 4 into 10 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 10 to the power of 6. So area of a triangle is equal to root of 3 square into 2 power 4 into 10 power 6. So இப்போ நம்ம ஸ்கொயர் ரூட்ல இருந்து வெளியே எடுக்கிறோம் அப்படினா which is equal to 3 into 2 into 2 is 4. So 2 square into 3 2s are 6. So square and square root gets cancelled. So 10 cube, which is equal to, the answer is 12,000 meter square. Therefore we find area of the triangular plot is, area of the triangular plot is equal to 12,000 meter square. Problem number 4. Find the area of an equilateral triangle whose perimeter is 180 centimeter. The problem belongs to page number 252. So perimeter of an equilateral triangle is equal to 180 centimeter. In an equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. So எல்லா சைட்ஸும் ஈக்குவல்ன்றதால நம்ம அதை 3a எடுத்துக்கிறோம். ஸோ 3a is equal to 180, a is equal to 180 by 3. So the value of a is equal to 60 meter. So formula for finding area of an equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 a square units is equal to root 3 by 4 into 60 into 60, which is equal to 4 and 60 gets cancelled. You get root 3 into 15 into 60. So value of root 3 is 1.732 into 15 into 60, which is equal to 1558.8 square meter. That is 1558.8 square meter. Next, problem number 5. An advertisement board is in the form of an isosceles triangle with perimeter 36 meter and each of the equal sides are 13 meter. Find the cost of painting it at rupees 17.50 per square meter. The problem belongs to page number 252. Solution: equal sides of a triangle is equal to 13 centimeter because and each of the equal sides are 13 centimeters given in the question. Then the next one is perimeter of an isosceles triangle is equal to 36 meter. Then the length of the third side is equal to 36 minus 13 plus 13 meter, which is equal to 36 minus 26 is equal to 10 centimeter. Now we find the sides of the triangle are A is equal to 13 meter, B is equal to 13 meter and C is equal to 10 meter. So S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2, which is equal to 13 plus 13 plus 10 by 2 is equal to 36 by 2. The value of semi-perimeter S is equal to 18 meter. Then next we find the value of S minus A is equal to 18 minus 13 is 5 meter. S minus B is 18 minus 13 is equal to 5 meter. S minus C is equal to 18 minus 10 is equal to 8 meter. Therefore area of a triangle is equal to root of S into S minus A, S minus B into S minus C is equal to root of 18 into 5 into 5 into 8, which is equal to, we can split 18 as 2 into 3 square into, here you have 2 5, so 5 square into 8 is nothing but 2 cube, which is equal to root of 2 power 4 into 3 square into 5 square is equal to 2 square into 3 into 5 is equal to 60 square meter. Then the cost of painting for 1 square meter is equal to rupees 17.50. So cost of painting for 60 square meter is equal to rupees 60 square meter into 17.50. So you get the cost of painting is rupees 1050.